It is Tuesday, and today is the 5th of May, which means Cinco de Mayo, and it's a Tuesday. So you know that means we need to have tacos tonight. Tell your mamas. It's Taco Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, like I told you. We only have 9 days of school left. 9 days. It's Tuesday, May 5th. The year is 2020, and the season is spring. Let's go over our vowels. A says A. E says eh, I says I, O says ah, and U says Let's review our sight words. A, am, and, big, but, for, he, is, it, of, the, to, was, were, what, and who. All right, we are on the letter Y. Y has a sound, and that sound is y, y, y. Yolk, that's the inside of an egg. If we had an egg, that would be the yellow part of the egg if your mom fries your eggs. Or if you're eating a boiled egg, it would be the green, it looks like a green ball on the inside. But that is called the yolk. This is yarn. Octopus does not have a Y sound, so we will not color that. But we will color the yak. I'm going to circle mine. The yarn. The yolk. And yogurt. You need to get out your pencil. And we are going to trace our Y's. We start at the top, go back up to the top, and then down. And top, top, down. Oops, sorry about that. Top, top, down. Top, top, down. Top, top, bottom line. Top, top, down to the bottom. Lowercase starts at the dotted line, go back to the dotted line, and it goes underneath the bottom line just a little bit, not a lot. And we're just tracing our lowercase y's that have the sound of y, 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 y. Okay? That was messed up a little bit. All right. And then in the box, we are looking for the letter Y. So we are going to circle all of the letters that look like Y. Oh, I messed up on that one a little bit. It's hard to draw with your mouse. All right. We are circling all the Y's. And that is all of the Y's. And that's what your paper should look like. Okay. The next paper, we are going to find matches of the letters that we've already done, U, V, W, and X. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from the capital to the lowercase. So here's the capital, and we are going to look for the lowercase u, which is right across from it. Now we need to find the capital, the lowercase v, capital W to the lowercase w, and capital X to the lowercase x. And that's what your paper should look like. We were matching capitals to lowercase. Let's review our Y words in our pretty backyard theme. We have Y says y, ak, y, lo, y, et, and y, l. We are going to write some Y's, capitals, again, just to show you how, capital and lowercase. So we're staying on the line. Capital goes all the way to the top and goes to the bottom. Oh, sorry about that. Lowercase starts at the dotted line, goes to the bottom. Capital. Just practice writing your Y's. We'll also practice writing the number 19. When we write the 19, we write a 1 and a 9. A 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. Those are the things that were on this week. All right, that's 19. Let's count to 20 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we are going to get our pencil out and we are going to trace the 19s. Trace 19. It's hard here. Trace. 19 is a 1 and a 9. Some of mine are a little fatter than the others because I'm using my mouse. Okay, you do not have to write the word 19. Then you're going to get a crayon and you are going to find and color all the number 19s. Is that a 19? No, that's just a 9. We need a 1 too. 19, 19. There's another one. Oh, here's another one. And I see one more. We need to color in 19 rectangles. So let's color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. We colored all of them but one. We have one left over. Okay, we're looking at the color blocks right here. We know that when we have a stack like this, that's always 10, so we're going to color all of those. That gives us 10. We need 9 more to get to 19, so we 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have one block left over too. All right. It says write the number before and after. So if we were counting, what number comes before 19? It's 18. 18 comes before 19. And that was last week's number. We know we write a 1 and an 8. We have 18, 19. What comes after 19? 20. 2 and a 0. All right. In this next block, it wants us to highlight the word 19, which we talked about the word 19 up there. All you need to do is get your color and color in the word 19. And that's it. Okay, we're looking at those pennies again, and we need 19 of them. We're going to count them as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 1 penny left over. We know that if we have 19 pennies, we have 19 cents because pennies are only worth 1 cent. Okay, in the last block down here at the bottom, we're going to do tally marks, and those are just lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, and if we have 18 and we add one more, what do we have? 19. We have 19. Good job on that. Let's go back through and see what we got next. Okay, we're going to read about Dot again. Dot is our friend, the hippopotamus, and she was what? She was hot. So her name is Dot. D says D, O says ah, T says T, Dot. Let's go to page 2. Dot is hot. Hot. Dot is hot. All right. Page 3. Dot, dot, got, N. Dot, got, N. And then the last page, it says dot, dot is not hot, hot. Dot is not hot because why? She got in the water. Okay, we've already counted to 20, so we're not going to do that again. But these are all your numbers from 1 through 20 that we're working on so that you are ready for kindergarten, that you know if you could look at the number and you could tell them what each number is. You can do that with your parents. You can pause it and let your parents point to a number and you tell them what that number is. Okay, and we're going to just review. Yesterday we talked about Zacchaeus, and Zacchaeus' job was he was a tax collector, and he did not have very many friends because he kind of was not nice. He kind of took some money from some people that he shouldn't have. He was short, he was little, and so when he heard that Jesus was coming to town, he wanted to see him, so he climbed in a. Where'd he climb? He climbed in a tree. And when Jesus came by, he was like, "Get down. I'm going to go to your house today. And if you're in the tree, I can't go." And so once Zacchaeus had Jesus come to his house, Zacchaeus realized that some of the choices he made were not so good. And he wanted Jesus to be proud of him. So he gave back the money, and then he gave back double to some of the people that he had taken from. So let's always remember to be thankful for what we have and not want more than we need. And make sure that you always say thank you for when your parents, when they do things for you. And especially like if they do extra stuff, like the other day, Cam's dad took him to get donuts. That was extra. If your mom gets you an ice cream, make sure that you say thank you. And I will see you tomorrow.